Finally, a column array loudspeaker that not only looks and sounds good, but is host to a wealth of system integrator-friendly features. Welcome the 4VM100T from Intusonic Commercial Audio Systems. Let's first take a look at what's under the grille. The 4VM100T offers precise dispersion from its 4 soft dome tweeters, with tight vertical control to avoid unwanted reflections from ceilings and floors thanks to its waveguide and 5-degree downward-facing high-frequency section. Moving down, 4 4-inch low-frequency drivers matched to custom-designed phase plugs allow this speaker to perfectly address the medium throw requirements of seated audiences in classrooms, lecture rooms, houses of worship and boardrooms. Taking a closer look at the connector panel, dual speak-on compatible connections are offered in conjunction with a 4-pin 5mm terminal strip, all run in parallel for easy hookup of multiple loudspeakers. To provide integrators with maximum flexibility, the 4VM100T is host to a wide number of hanging options including a VESA mount, a flown option, flush to wall hooks, and direct fitment to a half coupler using the upper M10 insert. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.